India looks forward to carrying out multiple diplomatic challenges like vaccine diplomacy, so far delivering to more than 17 countries and completing key infrastructure projects abroad. Hello, this is Neeraj Gupta from Policy Advocacy Research Center, Mumbai. Today, we bring you various elements of diplomacy budget of India. So, diplomacy budget is the budget of Ministry of External Affairs, which deals with foreign affairs of India. The union budget has allocated rupees 18,154 crore to Ministry of External Affairs for year 2021-22. This is highest ever allocation of MEA, and there is an increase of 21% from this year revised budget estimate of rupees 15,000 crore. 42% of the allocation is for development partnership, under which India provide aids to its neighbors and partner nation. As per India's neighborhood first policy, the largest share of India's aid is always goes to Bhutan, followed by Nepal and Mauritius. For some of us who may not be aware that on the account of renegotiated India-Bhutan Friendship Treaty in 2007, Government of India has a special responsibility of facilitating development in Bhutan in terms of social, economic and infrastructure sector. To keep up with provisions of India-Bhutan Friendship Treaty 2007, India always allocates highest fund to Bhutan. Even in current budget, also rupees 3004 crore have been allocated for Bhutan. Rupees 20 crore has been allocated for celebration of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, which is celebrated once in every 2 years to strengthen the engagement of Indian diaspora with Government of India and reconnect them with their roots. On strategic front, the budget has made rupees 100 crore allocation for development of Chabahar port after skipping it last year due to unfavorable stand of Trump administration. The Chabahar port is being developed by India to provide alternative route to Afghanistan for trade and enabling the reach of Indian goods in Central Asian region as well as countering Chinese influence in the region. Government has allocated rupees 300 crore for entire African region. Looking at the Chinese intention and efforts of expansionism in Africa, the meager amount of rupees 300 crore may not be sufficient for this. If government provides more funds for region, it could enhance the desired impact. Thank you.